Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So now I am going to teach you stack with node top plus length counter. Okay, so we don't use a linked list class, so we directly apply node and stacks. Okay, so this approach is simpler. Stack itself manage the top pointer and length. Okay, so stack itself manage the top pointer and length. And advantage of this approach, we can check stack size and O1 using the length attribute. Okay, so here you can see this is a node class name as before. Okay, so here this is a data, I mean this self dot value equals to value. We are going to store data in this node. Okay, so self dot node equals to none, so by default self dot none has none value. And stack class directly manage node. Okay, so here you can see this is our stack class. Okay, so here so self dot top equals to none initially, point to the node point to the top node of the stack. Okay, and self dot length equals to 0 initially. We have 0 length. Keep count of the number of the node. Okay, so push are used to append the element inside the stack, so create a new node and insert at the top. Okay, so here we are going to create new node equals to node, and we are going to pass value means our data. So new node dot next equals to self dot top, link new node with the current top. Okay, so self dot top equals to new node and update the top pointer, and self dot length, I mean we are going to increase length one by one, increase the size counter. Okay, so pop are used to remove the top value from the top of the stack. Okay, so so if self dot top is none, it will return stack is empty. Otherwise top node self dot, I mean pop node equals to, this is the variable, equals to self dot top, and self dot top equals to self dot top dot next, move to I mean move top pointer to the next node, and self dot length decrease by -1 and return pop node dot values dot value. Okay, so here you can see uh, we have another function peak are used to return the top values without removing it, so return the top value if exit. So here this is return so self dot top dot value if self dot top, else stack is empty. Okay, here we are going to check stack is empty or not. Okay, so here this is the empty function, and return self dot top is none. Okay, so we have self dot top is none, then stack is empty. Okay, so now this is the clear. uh, our another function is clear, so clear stack completely. Okay, it is going to clear stack completely. Okay, self dot top equals to none and self dot length equals to 0, so our stack will clear completely. Okay, so now we have another function define, I mean def underscore length. So here you can see return self dot length, so we can check our I mean we can check length of the stack, our stack. Okay, so here you can see str function, so return the stack element from top to bottom as a string. So here current equals to self dot top, value equals to empty, so we can restore new value. So while current and value dot append str current dot value, current dot value in string form. Okay, so current equals to current dot next, so return join value example 3 to 1. Okay, so here we are going to append one by one, 1 2 3, 3 to 1, 3 to 1. Okay, so I have already teach you this in previous video, so please go and watch my previous playlist. Okay, so here for example usage. Okay, so so this is the object for stack class, and we are going to append element one by one. Here this is our first element, This is the second element, this is the third element, and print stack, so output equals to 3, and popped element, stack dot pop, it remove a element from the top, and we had 3 at our top, and peak stack dot peak, so it's so 2 because 3 already removed from the stack. So length, now we need to check length, uh, len stack, so it should be 2. So now I am going to run this file, check the output. Okay, so this is our output. So stack equals to 3 to 1. Okay, so this is the first element, this is the second element, and this is the third element, and our top element is 3. Okay, so here after popped we got 3, so left element is 2 and 1. Okay, so at peak we have only 2, and length equals to 2 because 3 or 3 already removed by using popped method. So I think you got it, guys. This is for printing purpose. It will print output from like in reverse form. Like if you have 1 2 3, I mean if you have 1 in the bottom, and uh, after that you have 2, and after that you have 3 at the top. And then this will I mean this will return the result in the form of like a um, like bun, uh, uh, I mean 3 to 1. Okay, so this is our result. Okay, so this is used for calculate the length of the stack, and this is used for clear I mean clear stack completely, and this is used for check if the stack is empty, and peak are used to return the top element from the stack, and pop are used to remove the top element from the stack and return it, and push are used to append the element from the stack. Okay, so this is our stack class, and this is for node. So this is a node class that we can create our node, these are the node value and next. Okay, so guys, bye bye, take care, sweet dreams. I am going to sleep. Take care, please do share, subscribe and like. Bye bye.